Freehold landed homes in Singapore are inherently rare, especially in established districts like District 19. Many families seek such homes as a legacy asset, one that can be handed down through generations. What we are looking at today is not just any freehold, it's an estate in fee simple, which means complete and unrestricted freehold ownership. That's the highest form of property ownership you can have in Singapore. Hi, this is Irene Tan from OrangeTee. Today, I'm excited to show you a beautifully rebuilt Inter-Terrace home located in the charming Surin estate, and it's just received its TOP. This used to be a 2.5-story original Inter-Terrace, but it has been meticulously transformed into a luxurious 4-story home. Sitting on 1,927 square feet of land, it has an impressive built-up area of 5,362 square feet. From structure to finishes, everything is new. A freshly rebuilt home like this eliminates the guesswork. The future owner can focus on creating memories, not repairs or renovations. As we step inside, one standout feature is the absence of load-bearing columns throughout the home. This opens up the space beautifully and gives you maximum flexibility to place larger furniture and configure the layout to your taste. Moving into the kitchen zone, you'll find a blank canvas waiting for your personal touch. Whether it is a sleek island counter for breakfast and baking, or a long dining table for lively gatherings, this space adapts to your lifestyle. There's also a powder room and a utility room thoughtfully positioned nearby. To ensure convenience across all levels, this home is equipped with a Mitsubishi traction lift, a premium upgrade from the standard hydraulic lifts. It offers smoother rides, better reliability, and long-term ease of maintenance. Let's head up to the attic. A spacious family area that opens up to the front roof terrace is a great space for relaxation or entertainment. This level also includes a bathroom and a potential helper's room with laundry facilities located just outside at the back terrace. On the third floor, we have 2 ensuite bedrooms, both very spacious. The walk-in wardrobes are placed outside the bathrooms for efficient use of space. Again, with no load-bearing columns, each room is equally sized, perfect for growing teens or extended family members. Heading down to the second floor, you will find 2 more ensuite bedrooms. One of them features a generous 360 square feet of private balcony overlooking the car porch, an ideal setting for a tranquil garden, perfect for the master suite. Finally, one of the key highlights, this home uses a 3-phase electrical system. It provides greater electrical capacity, supporting smart home systems, multiple air conditioners, high-powered kitchen appliances, EV charging, and even solar integration. It future-proofs your home and adds long-term value. Thanks for joining me in this home tour. If you like the vibes of this house, contact me for a physical viewing. This is Irene Tan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division, Johnny Earn Branch, signing off.